Could the rise of artificial intelligence weapons signal the beginning of a new era in warfare? An era where the physical presence of humans on the battlefield becomes obsolete and machines take the reins? To understand the implications, we first need to travel back in time and trace the evolution of artificial intelligence weapons. The journey begins in the mid-20th century, specifically in the 1950s when the concept of artificial intelligence was born. It was an era of optimism and fear, with the Cold War brewing tension across the globe. Researchers began exploring the potential of machines to mimic human intelligence, and the first seeds of AI weaponry were planted. Fast forward to the late 1980s and early 90s, a time when AI started making its mark in various sectors. The military, always on the lookout for technological advancements, began to take notice. The first AI systems incorporated in weaponry were primitive, their capabilities limited to basic tasks like tracking targets. As we entered the new millennium, the pace of AI development accelerated. In the early 2000s, unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, emerged as the first widespread application of AI in warfare. These machines could fly over hostile territories, gather intelligence, and even launch attacks, all while being controlled remotely. The next significant milestone came in the 2010s, with the development of autonomous weapons. These machines could identify and engage targets without human intervention, raising ethical and legal questions about the future of warfare. Today, in 2024, we stand at the cusp of a new era. AI weapons have become more sophisticated, capable of making decisions in real time based on complex algorithms. From autonomous tanks to AI-guided missiles, the face of warfare is changing rapidly. So, what have we learned from this journey? First, the rise of AI weapons has been a gradual process, shaped by technological advancements and the evolving needs of warfare. From the rudimentary AI systems of the 90s to today's sophisticated autonomous weapons, the evolution has been steady and relentless. Second, AI weapons have the potential to change warfare fundamentally. They can operate in environments too dangerous for humans, make decisions faster than any human could, and execute missions with precision. However, their use also raises serious ethical and legal concerns. Lastly, as AI weapons become more advanced, the need for regulation grows. Without clear rules and guidelines, the risk of misuse or accidental escalation becomes a real threat. In conclusion, the rise of artificial intelligence weapons is a testament to human ingenuity and a stark reminder of the challenges that lie ahead. As we usher in this new era of warfare, it's crucial to navigate the path with caution, ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around.